Mentoring is a great development opportunity. It's a formal process with regular meetings where you set a goal and the mentor helps you plan how to reach that goal, review what is and isn't working, and explore what to do next. Mentoring isn't the same as coaching. It requires subject matter expertise and contextual knowledge, whereas coaching doesn't have to relate to your knowledge base. So what do you need to do if you're looking for a mentor? Select the right person. Have a chemistry call with potential mentors to decide who's right for you. Have a clear goal. Know what you want from a mentor and what you want to achieve. Make time. Commit to preparing, putting time into the relationship and making progress. Be focused. If you commit to do something, the responsibility to do it is with you. And what if you want to be a great mentor? Make time for your mentee and prepare for your sessions. Set clear boundaries and build trust with them. Want to get started? APM Community's APM Mentoring enables you to self-select a mentor and contains templates and guides so you can get the most from your mentoring partnership.